Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello students. This is the part 3 video of exercise 20 from the book of M. L. Agarwal. Today I am going to start from sum number 19. In sum number 19, at a point on a level ground, the angle of elevation of a vertical tower is found to be such that its tangent is 5 by 12. Okay, so suppose that is the point on the ground level, and on walking 192 meter towards, so 192 meter towards walking, that is the second point, the tangent of the angle is found 3 by 4. So suppose if we join these two points with the top of the tower, so that is the point of elevation of the first point and that is the point of elevation of the second point. So according to the question, the point of elevation for the first one, if we consider this as theta and this one as alpha, so according to the question, tan theta equal to 5 by 12 and tan alpha equal to 3 by 4. It's given. Now this is the P point, it's Q, and this is the TR. TR is the tower. So here from the first one here, from triangle TRQ, from the triangle TRQ, the TR is the perpendicular, so perpendicular by RQ, that means base, and that equal to tan alpha. So as tan alpha equal to 3 by 4, so just put down the value of 3 by 4. So TR by RQ, that equal to 3 by 4. Now next one, the next triangle is TRP. So according to the triangle TRP, we get that TR as perpendicular, so TR by RP as base, and that equal to tan theta. So value of tan theta is given, that is 5 by 12. So here TR by RP, that equal to 5 by 12. Now as RP is the addition of RQ and QP, RP is the addition of RQ and QP, so we can write this TR by RQ plus QP. As the value of QP equal to 192, so we can put the value of 192 instead of QP, so that equal to 5 by 12. So from that you can write that TR equal to 5 by 12 into RQ plus 192. So here TR by RQ equal to 3 by 4. Here TR equal to 5 by 12 into RQ plus 192. So if we get that here TR equal to 3 by 4 RQ. Now as TR equal to 5 by 12 RQ plus 192, so just put down the value here, RQ plus 192 into 5 by 12, that equal to TR, so that equal to 3 by 4 RQ. So here 3, so if you multiply 5, so 5 RQ plus 5 into 192, so 960, so that equal to 960 and that equal to 9 RQ. So as 4 RQ equal to 960, so RQ equal to 960 by 4, and that equal to 240. Okay, so here RQ equal to 240. Now as RQ equal to 240, you have to find out the height of the tower, that means TR. So just put down the value in this equation. Here TR equal to 3 by 4, so TR equal to 3 by 4 into 240, RQ equal to 240, so that equal to 60. So final answer is 180. So 180 is the final answer. Okay, so here TR equal to 3 by 4 into 60, so that equal to 180. So 180 is the final answer, that means the height of this tower. Now sum number 21, sum number 20 is as same as sum number 19. So I hope you can solve this one. So now sum number 21. In sum number 21, in the adjoining figure not drawn to the scale, AB is the tower. Here AB is the tower and the height of the tower is 300 meter is given. Now the AB is the tower and C and D are two objects located on the ground on the same side of the AB. When observed from the top of the tower, the angle of depression that equal to 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Now find the distance between the two objects. That means you have to find out the length of CD. Okay, so here the angle of depression, that means that angle is 45 degree and this one is 60 degree. As this is the alternative angle of this one, so we can write here 45 degree, and this is the alternative angle of this one, so we can write here 60 degree. Okay, so here the two triangle, first one is ABD and the second one is ABC. Okay, so now from triangle ACB, the whole triangle, we get that AB by BC that equal to tan 45 degree. Now tan 45 means 1, so we can write here AB equal to BC. So now here as AB equal to 300 meter, so we can write that BC equal to 300 meter also. Now the second one, from triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, here the length is AB by BD. So AB by BD that equal to tan 60. Now value of tan 60 that equal to root 3. So here the value of AB equal to 300. So write down here 300 equal to BD root 3. So BD equal to 300 by root 3. Okay, now if you multiply root 3 with numerator and denominator both, so we can get that 300 root 3 by 3, and that equal to 100 root 3. Okay, now value of root 3 equal to 1.732, so finally that is 173.2 meter. As BD equal to 173.2 meter and BC equal to 300 meter, then the value of CD equal to 300 minus 173.2, and that equal to 126.8, so that means 127 meter approx. So the final answer is 127 meter approx. Sum number 22. The horizontal distance between the two towers is 140 meter. So here that is the first tower and that one the second tower. So the horizontal distance between the two towers that equal to 140. The angle of elevation of the top of the first tower when we see from the top of the second tower that equal 30 degree. That means first you have to stay here. So from that point the angle of elevation, from the first tower to the second tower, that equal to 30 degree. As that is the ground level, and the parallel line, this is also the parallel line to the ground level. So if this one is 140, this one also 140. So here suppose TR is the second tower and PQ is the first tower, and that is L. So if the height of the second tower is 60, so find the height of the first tower. That means we have to find out the height of the first tower. Okay, so here that is the second tower, that is PQ equal to 60 meter. That means we have to find out the value of this tower. Okay, the length of this tower. So from this triangle, the first one, from triangle TLP, TL by PL, from triangle TLP, TL by PL, that equal to tan 30 degree. The value of tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. So TL equal to PL into 1 by root 3. So value of PL equal to 140. So 140 by root 3. Now if you multiply 1 by root 3 in numerator and denominator both, so that will be 140 root 3 by 3. So value of TL equal to 140 root 3 by 3. Now as PQ is the parallel of LR, so as the length of PQ equal to 60, then length of LR equal to also 60. So that means if we put down the value of 140 into 1.732 by 3, so that equal to, you will get the final answer, and that equal So after calculation you will get that 80.83. Now as TL equal to 80.83 and you have to find out the value of TR, so that means that you have to add TL plus LR. So finally TR equal to 80.83 plus 60, and that equal to 140.83 meter. That is the answer. Sum number 23 is a similar kind of problem. So now I am going to solve sum number 24. In sum number 24, the angle of elevation of a pillar from a point A on the ground is 45 degree. So angle of elevation of a pillar from a point A. So that is the point A, the angle of elevation from a point A, that equal to 45 degree. Now from a point B diametrically opposite to A. So that is A, and the opposite side of A, that means that side. So first you extend the ground level, and that is point B. So from the point B, the angle of elevation, that equal to 60 degree. So that equal to 60 degree. Now so that is the perpendicular. So here now find the height of the pillar. That means you have to find out this one, and the given distance between A and B. So given distance between A and B, that equal to 15. So the whole distance equal to 15. So that equal to C, and that equal to D. Now here AB equal to 15. So first we have to find out from this triangle. This triangle ADC, from triangle ADC CD by AD, that equal to 1045. Now 1045 becomes 1, so that imply we can write that AD equal to CD. That means the value of AD is equal to the value of CD. Now the second one, from triangle CDB, from triangle CDB CD by DB, that equal to 1060. Now 1060 equal to root 3. So that equal to CD equal to DB root 3. Okay, so here CD equal to DB root 3. So here CD equal to DB root 3. Now DB equal to, as AB equal to 15, so DB equal to 15 minus AD. So we can write here 15 minus AD root 3. Okay, now CD equal to AD, so write here AD, and if 15 into root 3, so 15 root 3 minus AD root 3. Now if AD will be here, so AD common, then 1 plus root 3, and that equal to 15 root 3. So finally AD equal to 15 root 3 by 1 plus root 3. Now if you rationalize this number, that means if you multiply 1 minus root 3 in numerator and denominator both, then you will finally get that answer, and that is 9.51, as 9.51 is the height of this pillar.